Good evening, Hamlin County. Please review the following information and contact Kellie Smith if you have any questions, and we will address those concerns in a future broadcast. Number 1, our health department received another large shipment of masks last week for distribution. They will give out these masks through a drive-by service from the front door of the health department on Main Street. Please call the health department at 423-586-6431 and press 0 to talk with the staff member. The health department is requesting individuals call this number before coming to pick up masks because staff members must follow strict protocols when interacting with the community. Calling ahead will assist them in making the most effective use of their time. It is important to note that this last shipment of masks from the state was significant. The health department now may be able to fill many requests from businesses and organizations who need a larger number of masks for employees and/or customers. Again, please call ahead if you need a large number, and they will do whatever they can to help. The health department will continue distribution until the supplies are gone. Number 2, it would appear the governor is pushing forward with his efforts to reopen businesses and industries in Tennessee. It is anticipated additional information and clarification will be issued later this week. The following information was released last Friday from the governor's office. As Tennessee continues to mitigate the spread of COVID-19, the state's Economic Recovery Group announced today it will lift capacity restrictions on restaurants and retail industries to instead focus on social distancing. The new Tennessee Pledge guidelines will be released early next week. 6 counties, Shelby, Madison, Davison, Hamilton, Knox, and Sullivan, will continue to follow individual county-specific reopening plans created in consultation with state and local health departments. The governor stated, quote, "Tennesseans have worked incredibly hard to do their part to help slow the spread of COVID-19 so that our state can now begin to reopen. Thanks to their continued efforts, we're able to allow restaurants and retail businesses to operate at greater capacity and large attractions to open in a safe and thoughtful way. Our state continues to see downward trends in case growth and meets the White House criteria for a phased reopening. This progress has been hard-won, and we can build upon it by reopening while also maintaining common sense safety measures like mask wearing and good hygiene. By taking the Tennessee Pledge, our businesses can reopen in a way that protects the health of their customers and employees and protects the livelihood of hard-working Tennesseans. The new large attraction guidance applies to those businesses that can effectively practice social distancing with strong measures to protect both the employees and customers, including racetrack, amusement parks, water parks, theaters, dinner theaters, auditoriums, large museums, and more. Restrictions on social gathering of more than 10 people remain in place for the time being. Updates to restaurant guidelines will include a lifting of capacity restrictions, allowing for increased service as long as social distancing guidelines are adhered to, including 6 feet between tables. We will provide a more in-depth summary after the new guidelines are released. Number 3, it is clear the state is moving forward with the reopening of our businesses and industries. This is necessary to ensure that we can restart our economy and put our citizens back to work. However, this doesn't mean that we can immediately return back to our pre-virus routines and lives. Increased movement within the state and throughout the nation will provide numerous opportunities for the virus to spread if we are not socially responsible. Be conscientious of your actions and do your part to ensure that we don't experience a resurgence of the virus in Hamlin County. Number 4, the health department and EMA are distributing masks at our local Food City grocery stores this Tuesday and Wednesday, May the 19th and 20th. These stores are located on Jaybird Street, Popkins Center, and Sandstone Drive. They will hand out masks from 8:30 to 10:30 in the morning and from 4 to 7 o'clock in the evening. They will distribute masks and directions on how to properly use the mask until all the supplies are gone. Thank you for your attention to this broadcast, and we wish you the very best.